Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important long answer questions, that is from topic transformations, trigonometry chapter. Let us see one question. If A, B, C are angles in a triangle, then prove that sin A by 2 plus sin B by 2 plus sin C by 2 equals to 1 plus 4 sin pi minus A by 4 into sin pi minus B by 4 into sin pi minus C by 4. Now, in this question, in RHS is in terms of pi. So, these kind of problems, it's very easy to simplify RHS rather than LHS. So, by simplifying RHS, we can prove LHS easily. So, let us proceed the simplification with RHS. Before we proceed RHS, if you see the condition, A, B, C are angles in a triangle. All of you know that in triangle ABC, sum of the three angles A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees in terms of radians known as pi. So this is the useful equation in further process. Now let us take RHS. So 1 plus 4 sin of pi minus A by 4 into sin of pi minus B by 4 into sin of pi minus C by 4. So let us write 1 plus same. If you observe here, product of three ratios. If you remind formulas in transformations, we have product to sum. But that is for two ratios, only for two ratios. So one of these three ratios must be kept aside. So in 4 also, 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. For formula only 1, 2 is enough. So let us keep one more 2 aside. So overall I would like to keep 2 sin of pi minus A by 4 aside. Okay. Now in bracket I will take 2 sin of pi minus B by 4 into sin of pi minus C by 4. So now 1 plus 2 sin of pi minus A by 4 same. Now bracket expression look like 2 sin A sin B. If pi minus B by 4 assumed as A, pi minus C by 4 assumed as B, it look like 2 sin A sin B. Let us remind once formula for 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B. Formula cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B is the formula. So here in place of 2 sin A sin B, I would like to write formula cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Cos of A minus B. What is A here? Pi minus B by 4. A minus B. Pi minus C by 4. I wrote cos of A minus B. Next minus cos of A plus B. A pi minus B by 4 plus B pi minus C by 4. Bracket close. Now simplification part. 1 plus 2 sin of pi minus A by 4 into cos of 4. LCM is 4. So denominators are same. Numerators can be subtracted directly. Pi minus B minus pi minus into minus C plus C minus cos of 4 LCM is 4 pi minus B plus pi minus C. 1 plus 2 sin of pi minus A by 4 into cos of Now minus pi plus pi can be cancelled. Now we have minus b plus c. So better to take minus common. So better to say b minus c rather than c minus b. So for that I would like to take minus common. On taking minus common, minus b plus c changes as b minus c. b minus c whole divided by 4 minus cos of here pi. One of these two pi terms can be replaced with a plus b plus c. From equation 1, pi can be replaced with a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c. This pi can be replaced with a plus b plus c. The rest of the terms write same, minus b plus pi minus c same, whole divided by 4. So this is replacement. This replacement is from equation 1. Since from 1. Now 1 plus 2 sine of pi minus a by 4 same into this look like cos of minus theta. If you remind formula for cos of minus theta, formula is cos theta. So cos of minus of b minus c by 4 become cos of b minus c by 4. Cos of minus theta equals to cos theta minus. Now if you think about cancellation, minus b plus b gets cancelled, minus c plus c gets cancelled. Now we left with pi plus a. Cos of pi plus a by 4. Now, to write next step, see this one, RHS equals to 1 plus, now multiply this term into this term, 2 sine of pi minus a by 4 into cos of b minus c by 4. Now, plus into minus, minus this term into this term, 2 sine of pi minus a by 4 into cos of pi plus a by 4. Write once as it is, 1 plus. Now this term is in the form of 2 sine a cos b. Let's remind formula for 2 sine a cos b. 2 sine a cos b formula, sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. 2 sine a cos b formula. So here we should apply 2 sine a cos b, sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Sine of a, what is a here? Pi minus a by 4. A plus b, b minus c by 4. Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. We should write a minus b. A minus b, b minus c by 4. Now, next we have minus symbol. We should be careful regarding minus symbol. So, whenever you have minus symbol for the next terms, okay, so we must keep in bracket. So, for the terms we should keep in bracket. Then only we can apply minus for all the terms. So, minus, minus. So, 2 sine a cos b again. 2 sine a cos b. So, same formula, sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Sine of a plus b, what is a here? Pi minus a by 4 plus b, pi plus a by 4. Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b, pi minus a by 4 minus pi plus a by 4. So after negative sign, we have 2 sin a cos b formula. So after negative sign, we kept brackets. In bracket, I wrote 2 sin a cos b formula, that is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Now simplification. 1 plus sin of 4 LCM is 4. Now numerators can be added directly because denominators are same. Pi minus a plus b minus c plus sin of 4 LCM is 4. Pi minus a. Now apply minus for both the terms. Minus into plus b minus b. Minus into minus c plus c. Next, this minus applicable for both the terms in bracket. So minus into plus minus sin of here 4 LCM is 4. Numerators can be added directly. Pi minus a plus pi plus a. Minus into plus minus sin of 4 LCM is 4. Pi minus a minus pi minus into plus minus a. Now simplification. 1 plus sin of, okay. Now this pi from equation 1 can be replaced with a plus b plus c. Replace pi with a plus b plus c. Rest of the terms you write same. Minus a